Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you how to make these red velvet cheesecake brownies from scratch. Let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, so you will need 1 stick of melted butter, 4 eggs, 1.5 cup of flour, a half a cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flavoring. And for the cheesecake, you will need 1 block of cream cheese, 1 egg, and a half a cup of sugar. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have my Pyrex jar here. I am going to go ahead and crack all 4 of my eggs. I'm going to add the teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, so using a whisk, I'm going to go ahead and just whisk it to mix it all together. And then I'm going to go ahead and just set it aside. Okay, so in my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in my melted butter. I'm also going to add in the 2 cups of sugar. Adding in my tablespoon of flavoring. This is some cookie nut flavoring. And my half a cup of the cocoa powder. Here is some red drops. These are red food coloring drops. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. I am going to mix this until it is well blended. Okay, so I'm going to add in some red velvet flavoring. This is from Lorann. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I'll go ahead and post a picture right there. Okay, so now that this is well mixed, I am going to go ahead and add the egg and vinegar mixture. And I am going to use the whisk to just go ahead and mix this in. So now it's time to add in the flour. I am adding in the whole 1.5 cup of flour. And I'm just going to fold this over until it is all blended in together. Okay, you guys, this has come together perfectly. This is the perfect brownie mixture for these red velvet cheesecake brownies. So let's go ahead and make the cheesecake mixture. Then I'm going to put in the whole block of cream cheese, the half a cup of sugar, and the 1 egg. I will add a teaspoon of flavoring to this as well. This is cookie nut. And I'm going to go ahead and use my hand mixer just to blend it and mix it all up. I should have used a bigger bowl. This could definitely get messy, but we gonna work with it. We'll work with it. Okay, so it is starting to get creamy as it's supposed to. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn this off for a moment, and I'm going to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. And then I'm going to restart and mix again. So now that the cheesecake mixture is complete, I'm going to go ahead and get a 13 by 9 aluminum pan, spray it down with some cooking spray. Okay, so I'm going to start off by adding the brownie mix to the pan. I'm going to just put it in sections of the pan so that I can leave room to add the cheesecake mixture. Okay, so adding the cheesecake mixture, I am just going to go ahead and drop it in different sections, filling in the empty spaces and putting some on top as well. Now you can definitely fill the whole bottom of the pan up with the brownie mixture, and then just put the cheesecake filling on top, and you just have like brownie at the bottom and cheesecake at the top. But how I am doing it, I don't want to do a swirl and just have bits and pieces everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill it in little by little in different sections of the pan. Okay, so doing this the old school way, the way that my grandma taught me to make swirls on a cake, swirls in a brownie when we used to add caramel, I am using my butter knife. So as you can see, I am just swirling between the cheesecake mixture and the brownie mixture, just mixing it all together, I guess you can say. And I'm swirling in different directions so that I can make sure that I get this cheesecake mixture and also the brownie mixture like into each bite once I cut it. So I'm just going to swirl this around. And I do have another video on my channel, which I will link above and I will link below as well, where I used a red velvet cake mix to make these cheesecake red velvet brownies as well, in which they turn out pretty good. But when I have customers, I always make them from scratch for my customers. Okay, so we're gonna bake these in the oven. I am gonna bake them at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Sometimes they go for about 33 minutes, but no longer than that. And here they are fresh out the oven. And these are the ones that I made using the red velvet cake mixture. Okay, you guys, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, go ahead and subscribe, share this video with a friend. I'll see you next time. Bye.